What's up, everybody? It's your girl Dwani back with another video. What's up, everybody? I hope everybody's having a great day. It's been a great weekend here in Dallas, Texas. It's been nothing but been beautiful weather. Everything nice. So today I'm going to be announcing the free drone giveaway. I know a couple of days ago I said I was going to announce the winner, but time got by past me and everything, and other things came about. And of course, I was getting ready for the big showdown, the YouTuber call out, Demonology versus Dunkmaster. I went to that yesterday at the Texas Motorplex in Ennis, Texas. So definitely check out my video for that. Okay, videos, because it was so mega that I might have videos for days, for that event. But definitely check out my content once I get everything situated. And if this is your first time on my channel, definitely like and subscribe. Hit the bell for the post notifications so you guys will get the first look of my videos when I do drop them. So, okay. So we're going to get right into it. I know everybody's here for the announcement for the free drone giveaway. I know at first I said I was going to wait until like 1,000 subscribers to, give out the free drone giveaway and everything. But, spontaneously, I just decided to just go ahead and just do the giveaway and everything. So we're going to get right into it. So normally, I know with the giveaways, they have like a little system to where they pick like, names or comments or anything like that. And of course, I told everybody to make sure you comment under the video that I had made about a couple of days ago. It should be about 3 days now. That I had made at that time. Make sure you leave comments and stuff like that. And I had read the comments. All right. And I decided to pick the actual winner just by reading the comments and everything. And how they, basically just reading the comments and stuff. So I decided to pick the winner, and the winner of the free drone giveaway is boom, Bradford White, aka Too Fitted. Congratulations, man. You are the new winner for the free drone giveaway. Bradford White, congratulations, man. I just want to say thank you so much for, being a huge supporter of my channel. Bradford White also has a YouTube channel, you guys. Definitely check him out. He also has a Nissan Altima, so that's how me and him connect and stuff like that. And of course, we have talked before on social media and everything. Real cool, down-to-earth guy and everything. Definitely check out his channel. He also has he does custom merch. He has a website and everything of his business, Brad Visions. Make sure you check that out and check out his links and everything. And I know his wife also has her own business as well, and she does some things too. She does like more like art things, very beautiful pieces that his wife makes. So definitely check out both of them, show them support. They're, he's been a huge supporter for me since day one. And so congratulations, Bradford. You're the new winner of the free drone giveaway. Like I said, this is the drone right here. It's the small one. It's kind of like a beginner's drone and everything, but it actually video records and stuff, and it comes with the remote and everything. So you have the remote to control it and stuff and do like videos if you like. And it comes with, like a charger and all that stuff and other accessories for the drone itself. Okay. So I believe this is for like whenever you have videos and you load it up on like your laptop or anything like that with the USB connect. Yeah, you guys, it comes with instructions and everything and stuff like that. But congratulations, Bradford White, on the drone. Just make sure, like I mentioned before, I think since I had already gotten some stuff from you, I'm pretty sure I already had your address, of course. But yeah, If not, just go ahead and go into my Dwani Effect Films, or you can go to my other IG, Dwani_L33. Of course, you know, send your address. I already have your name, obviously, but just go ahead and send your address, and I'll send that off to you. But other than that, you guys, thank you guys so much for tuning in and watching the video. As far as with future giveaways, I have thought about doing other future giveaways once, you know, everything gets situated and stuff with the channel, and you know, the direction of the channel that I'm trying to go with it, you know, because I'm starting back up, you know, after a couple of weeks. So you know, I appreciate the patience, and I appreciate everybody for, you know, still supporting me, even though, you know, it's been a while since I did a video and stuff. But other than that, you guys, I hope everybody stays positive and achieve their goals, and yeah, and just have a blessed day, have a blessed life. And just want to say thank you. And like I said, make sure you check out my videos for the Demonology versus Dunkmaster. Definitely check those out. And I see you on the next one. Peace, you guys.